In this video, let's see how to add a custom email sender in Easify using your Google account. Click on the Google account icon in the browser's toolbar. Type app into the search bar at the top of the Google account page. Select app passwords from the search results. Enter a name for your new app-specific password in the text field provided. Click on the Create button to generate a new app-specific password. Copy the generated app password. Now go to Email section in your Easify app. Select Email Senders. Click on the Add Email Sender button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Select Add Custom Gateway from the pop-up. Fill in both hostname and port number as shown. Enter your Gmail ID that you used to generate the password in the username section. Now paste the password that you copied from the Google account previously in the password field. You can select your encryption in the encryption field. Enter your name for your custom sender in the From Name section. Then enter your mail ID for your custom sender in the From Emailed section. Now click the Add button to complete the process. You have successfully added a custom email sender in Easify using your Google account. Thank you.